Hello, let's begin with need and importance of consumer protection. I'll tell you first what is consumer. Consumers are those people who purchase goods or service for himself. They all will be consumers. For example, if I buy headphone for me, so I'll be the consumer of headphone. If I buy this camera, so I'll be the consumer of this camera. Whatever we buy for us, we become consumer of that. That means consumers are those people who purchases goods, who purchases services for himself. They all are known as consumers. Today, consumers are regarded as king. They are regarded as king in the market, and that's why we need to protect the consumers. We need to protect the consumers. नॉर्मली किसको प्रोटेक्शन की जरूरत होती है? किसको सेफ गार्ड करने की जरूरत रहती है? किंग को, राइट? किंग के आप देख रहेंगे आजू बाजू उनके गार्ड्स लोग रहते. सो कंज्यूमर्स आर किंग. टुडे कंज्यूमर इज regarded as king in the market, and that's why today's consumers are need to be protected. So we'll see in detail. Need. What are the needs where consumers are to be protected? What are the importance for consumer protection? Point number one is need for participation of consumer. That means today, whenever any important decisions are taken or any major decisions are taken by business organization, in their decision making process, no businessman involve any consumer. Whenever important decision is taken, decision like वो डिसीजन जो कि कंज्यूमर्स के इंटरेस्ट को अफेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जिससे कंज्यूमर का राइट अफेक्ट हो सकता है. इन सच काइंड ऑफ डिसीजंस कंज्यूमर्स आर नॉट पार्टिसिपेटेड. नथिंग इज आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द कंज्यूमर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट द कंज्यूमर. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज lack of information. You must be knowing that in today's market, there are so many domestic products as well as there are so many imported products. जब इतने सारे मार्केट में गुड्स अवेलेबल है, तो at this moment for consumer it is very difficult to obtain reliable information about the product. वो information जो consumer के लिए useful हो, those information which could be useful to the consumer, which could be reliable for the consumer, because there are so many products are available. For example, अगर हम लोग शैम्पू का बात करें, जो हम लोग बालों में शैम्पू यूज करते हैं, देयर आर मेनी कंपनीज प्रोड्यूसेस शैम्पू और फेस क्रीम. देयर आर सो मेनी कंपनीज प्रोड्यूसेस फेस क्रीम. सो हियर which one is good? For that consumer need information. Those information only manufacturer can provide, but for consumers it is very difficult to contact with the manufacturer to obtain informations from manufacturer, because there is big gap between manufacturer and consumers. Consumers are scattered. consumers पूरे फैले हुए हैं. तो ऐसे में हर consumers के लिए, every consumer के लिए, even a single consumer के लिए, it is not possible to contact with the manufacturer to obtain some reliable information. So that is the point, lack of information. Today's consumers are not having reliable information. Next is ignorance. Consumers in India, they are mostly ignorant about their prices, about the prices of the products, about the quality of the product, about the quantity of the product, or about the rights of the consumers. Today's consumers have become totally ignorant in all these cases, and that's why here we need to protect the consumer. We need to remove their ignorance. उनके माइंड से ignorance बाहर निकालना है. That's why we need consumer protection. Next is unorganized consumers. Today's consumers are unorganized. For example, see these fingers. These fingers are not organized. This is known as organized, but these are not known as organized. These are unorganized. ये सारे अलग अलग. So this is the case with the consumer and this is the case with the seller. All the sellers are organized, but consumers are not organized. They are unorganized. Consumers में कोई unity नहीं है. Even there are no any organization of consumers who can protect. Consumers की ऐसी कोई भी organization नहीं जो कि consumer को protect कर सके. But sellers की organization है. Sellers लोगों का अपना भी एक union होता है. Sellers are having their own union. In the same way, consumers are not having any union. And one single consumer cannot fight against any business organization. And that's why we need to protect the consumer. Next. This is the next point. Spurious goods. Spurious goods means duplicate goods. Today, for the sake of making shortcut profit and higher profit, business organization, they sell duplicate product. We can see there are many duplicate products are available in the market. And you must be knowing that duplicate product would be harmful to our life, to our health. But today in India, many consumers, they are illiterate. Even we educated people, sometimes even we may not establish the difference between original product and duplicate product. Even at this moment, we need to protect the consumers. So that is only the point. Spurious goods. Understood? Spurious means duplicate goods. And we need to protect all the consumers from all types of duplicate product. Let's see. Next one. What is the next point? Next is, this is misleading advertising. You must be watching TV and you must have observed that in TV many ads, almost all ads, they mislead to the people, they mislead to the viewers, they mislead to the consumers. What they show in the advertising, actually that not happens in reality. In real life, that doesn't happen what they show in the news. You just watch this video, you will understand. Okay? Just watch this video.
ये कफ कॉलर अंडरआर्म गंदे करता सुबह शाम, कैसे साफ होगा मैल, बोल जरा बेटा राम।
तो क्या मैं खेलूं नहीं, कूदूं नहीं, क्रिकेट नहीं, जूडो नहीं, बन जाऊं क्या बूंदू राम? मशीन में धो दो ना मॉम।
ये मैल बड़ा जिद्दी है, मशीन में नहीं धुलेगा।
चौंक गई मम्मी?
हाँ।
पेश है नया टाइड अल्ट्रा, जो कफ कॉलर अंडरआर्म का जिद्दी मैल निकाले मशीन में ही।
जिद्दी दाग निकालना इजी है, सर्फ एक्सेल इजी वॉश।
नहीं होगा।
छोटे छोटे हाथों
अरे बेटा
मिलके बड़ा बनने दो।
ए खाना मत।
मिलके
बच्चों,
इनके 10 हाथों ने मुश्किल काम
So you must have understood
ये दाग जिद्दी दाग
that
निकालना इजी है,
these are
सर्फ एक्सेल के 10
misleading
हाथों की शक्ति निकाले
advertisement.
मुश्किल दाग आसानी से। सर्फ एक्सेल
and that's why we need to protect the consumers. Let's begin with the next point. So here is the next point. Malpractices of business organization. Basically, malpractices means food adulteration, false weight, false measure, black marketing. These are wrong practices. These are unfair business practices. These are also known as malpractices. So these all things are to be avoided because these things are not good for the consumers. These are illegal. And to avoid all these things, to remove all these malpractices, there are several laws. वो बहुत सारे rules है जिसके through these malpractices can be removed and consumers can be protected. So even at this moment, we need to protect the consumer. You just watch this video, you will understand the scenario.
धड़ल्ले से नकली
play
सामान
the
की
video.
बिक्री हो रही है। दिल्ली और मेरठ में पुलिस की छापेमारी में बड़ी तादाद में ऑनलाइन बिकने वाला नकली सामान बरामद किया गया। इस छापेमारी में CNN न्यूज 18 भी पुलिस के साथ था और इस खबर पर ज्यादा डिटेल्स देने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं न्यूज 18 के सीनियर एसोसिएट एडिटर शुभजीत सेन गुप्ता। शुभजीत, सबसे पहले नकली सामान पर पुलिस की रेड कहां किन किन लोकेशंस पर हुई है?
ये जो रेड्स हुई है वो काफी जगह में हुई है। दिल्ली के ओखला में हुआ है, कुछ रेड्स आपके मेरठ इलाके में हुई है। आखिरी जो सबसे बड़ी रेड थी वो मेरठ में कराई गई थी। उसमें जो हब होता है फेक ई रिटेलर्स की आसपास में स्पोर्ट्स गुड्स की अगर देखें तो सबसे ज्यादा होता है मेरठ के एरिया में। वहां पे रेड किया जाता है जहाँ हजारों लाखों की संख्या में उनके गोडाउन में फेक बॉल्स और फेक सारे सामान रखे हुए थे।
The case of malpractice, okay, that is really harmful for the health, for the life of consumer. These all things should be avoided. Totally, all these things should be avoided. Let's continue with the next point. Our next point is, this is trusteeship. According to Gandhian philosophy, businessmen are known as trustees to the society's wealth. Society's wealth means property of society. That means we can take example of natural resources. Natural resources are the wealth of society. Business organization, here business organizations are expected to make use of those wealth, to make use of those natural resources for the purpose of society, for the benefit of the society, for the sake of society, for the upliftment of the society. But today, what businessmen are doing? They are making use of society's wealth for their profit purpose. They only keep on filling their pocket. Hardly there are some business organizations who think about upliftment, development, benefit, interest of society. There are very less business organizations who think for the benefit of society, but mostly almost all businessmen, they think about their pocket only. So they all should think about society also, because they are making use of society's wealth. Now here we have done all need and importance of consumer protections. So guys, if you are having doubt in any point, so you can watch the video again, you can repeat the video, definitely you will understand. I'm having many other videos, link of which you can check in description box, or you can see other videos in my channel. So thank you for today's class.